maybe you've been on Twitch for a long time, or maybe you're new to the platform and you're watching a stream or many and you're wondering, I really like this content, but what can I do to help that streamer out? And you'd be surprised on how much you could do without even costing you a dime. I'm Thorbatum, and I'm going to show you what you can do to help out your streamer as a viewer. Let's get into it. So first, let's cover the non-financial things, which might be what most of you guys are here to see. As a viewer, being there, being consistent, being a viewer in the channel is probably the most vital thing that you can do, and the easiest. You're doing it and you probably don't even know it. Besides just watching though, a big thing that you can do is just say hi, or hey, what are you playing, or what are you trying to do on this, or what are you trying to accomplish? Talk to the streamer. You say something in chat, and trust me, it helps out a lot. But while you're chatting, okay, be mindful of other chatters. Maybe new people are coming in. So you've been watching the stream for a little while, and someone comes in and says, hey, how are you? And you don't recognize their name? Welcome them just like the streamer would. Be a part of their community, which is one of my next things. This is something that gets overlooked quite a lot by viewers. Be part of the community. Welcome new people in, or veterans that have been in the channel for a while. Just be active in the chat with other people who are in the community, and it'll have a resounding effect, a snowball effect if anything. Plus, when you communicate with other people who come to the stream, new or old, the retention value behind that person or that streamer is amazing, because the average streamer has about 15 seconds, okay, from the time a viewer pops in till a viewer will leave. They have 15 seconds. Oh, hey, how are you doing? Welcome them, and see if the stream's going to be for that person. If the community is welcoming too, it'll be a warm and inviting place for new viewers to come and stay. Trust me. Now, while we're talking about community, you can help them grow their community, okay? So in order to do this, when you're watching their channel, say they have a highlight moment, they land that amazing headshot, they clutch a win in a battle royale, they have something hilarious happen, they make a big goof up and mistake. Who knows? Clip it. Make clips, okay? Streamers love seeing clips of their channel. You maybe even take something out of context and it's hilarious, which, by the way, is one of the first clips I've ever had on my channel back when my UI was a little bit.
Give me just a minute here. I gotta throw my cat.
Welcome to my stream. First example is right down here where the settings and the full screen and everything is. This is where you will find the clip button for a stream that is live. Okay, I'm currently offline because I'm recording this video, but that is where you'll find that. Okay. Besides just sharing their clips and everything, word of mouth can be a big thing. So say you're at work or school or out with friends or anything like that, and you tell them, hey, I've been watching this Twitch stuff lately, or maybe they know what Twitch is, so it depends on the context. Hey, I've been watching Twitch lately, and I found the streamer and I really enjoy him. The thing with that is it's someone that you are personal with, so when they come to the stream, they may stay just to sit there and chit chat with you, but it still helps the streamer grow. Your friends, if you like their content, in most scenarios your friends will probably like their content too. And guess what? That's another place you guys can hang out. Friends come in, family or something, hey, how are you doing and all. Guess what? You're promoting chat in my channel. You're doing something that helps me out. There's no reason to scorn it. Also, while I'm here, something I didn't discuss is the use of channel points. Affiliates and partners can have channel points, okay? You accumulate 220 per hour as a viewer, and if you're a subscriber, you get double that. When a streamer is an affiliate or partner, you can also utilize their channel points and have fun interactive ways with the stream, and it might promote other people using channel points or talking in stream about what you just did. So for example, hydrate, probably my most popular one that I get used. I will drink a ton of water apparently on stream because of my viewers. When one person spams it, the next person will come in and they'll use it, and it'll snowball. So it's one way to get chat to actually get going with your channel points. Another popular one for mine is I have 2 cats and they like to give them treats. That's been a popular one. But yeah, so utilizing channel points can be really an effective way to help out chat get moving, because the streamer interacts with the stream through them, and other people watching the channel will want that interaction with them too. So use them up. If they have this about me set up, a lot of streamers will have their social links here, so this is one way that you can access their other social medias. And if they do not have this set up, some streamers have not, they may have them in their panels. So if you see how my arrow turns into a finger, when I click on this, it would go to my Twitter or my Discord, or well, down here's my YouTube. Also, here's a little tip and trick for when you're wanting to count as a viewer, but you maybe can't have the audible level on the stream, so you want to kind of quote unquote lurk. Okay, this works in Google Chrome. I haven't tried it in other versions or other platforms, or even the app yet, but I know if you're on a desktop and you have Google Chrome and you go up to here, this tab up here, you right click and you click mute site, then you won't hear any audio from the site, but you'll still count as a viewer. Muting it here removes you as a viewer. Okay, so now let's talk about financials. Or how you can help support financially. So affiliates and partnered streamers have 2 extra ways that they can earn income from the platform that non-affiliates cannot do. I'll go over those first. So the first way is subscriptions. A tier 1 is $5, tier 2 $10, and a tier 3 is $25. This is a per month, so once you pay for it, they will get that subscription for the month. There's also the option of a Twitch Prime sub. So if you have an Amazon Prime account and you link your Twitch account to Amazon, which they are one and the same company. Jeff Bezos owns Amazon, he owns Twitch. Same thing. Okay, so if you have an Amazon Prime, you automatically get a Twitch Prime account. And with Twitch Prime, you can subscribe to a channel at a tier 1 level per month for free. Okay, the Twitch Prime program helps so many streamers out, especially if you have Amazon Prime but not wanting to shell out $5 per month. It benefits a lot. The streamer will get about half of that revenue, so $5 you get $2.50, $10 you get 5, etc., etc. And like I said, with the Twitch Prime, it counts as a tier 1 sub, so they will get $2.50 from that subscription. The second way that a streamer that's an affiliate or partner can earn income is through bits. So when you use bits on a streamer's channel, every bit counts for 1 penny USD. So 50 bits, 50 cents. It's real simple, straightforward. And like I said, if you get them through watching ads, it's a way to get some free bits that you can use on the streamer's channel. So those are the 2 ways that a streamer that's an affiliate and a partner can earn extra income. Now let's talk about ones that everybody can use. So we'll start with tips or donations. I prefer the term tips, but to each their own. When you have viewer tips to a channel, they're effectively sending money. Like, the streamer gets 100% of it. Well, other than like maybe processing fees or something like that, but Twitch doesn't take any of it. So you send them $5, they get the $5. There's no cut on Twitch's behalf. Tips or donations can be more beneficial overall. There's no cut loss. And another way that any streamer can get a source of income is through affiliate links, okay? And what that is so you'll see them sometimes with like Humble Bundle or Kingwin or some other platform where, you know, the streamer can go in and they can create an affiliated link. When you click on that link to go to that website and you make a purchase, the streamer will get a kickback for it. So whatever the percentage may be, let's just say you spend $1 on there and they get a 5%, which is fairly generous. You get a 5% kickback. They'll receive 5 cents for that dollar purchase that you made. Really easy, as long as you're using their link. So something else on the financial side of things is when you go down into their panels, if they have the Amazon wish list set up. So what this is for me, my wish list is things that I could utilize towards my stream. I've seen streamers have various things from, say, G Fuel to clothing for cosplays, stream upgrades, a wide variety of things. So if you go onto this and utilize their wish list to purchase them something that will be sent to their house or their PO box, you benefit them without sending them money and hoping that they will use it correctly. So this is something that they could have. And the final way that I'm going to go over is merch. Okay, it's not likely that a non-affiliate streamer will have merch. Maybe even affiliates probably won't have merch, but if they do, they receive an income off of it. You buy t-shirts, mugs, books, whatever that they might be, you know, producing to sell with their content on it or about it, they'll receive money off of it. You also get something in return, so it's probably the most symbiotic way to, you know, benefit a streamer for you. So that's all the financial ways to cover that I'm going to cover right now. Obviously each one of these subjects go a little bit more in depth, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to make it straightforward. There's a lot of ways that you can help your streamers and not have to cost you anything, but if you have the means to do so, obviously we appreciate that too. It's all good. Or just come and hang out on my stream. Help me build my community. Until next time though, happy watching. Peace.